Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen on Snapchat. If you are getting the black screen whenever you're trying to use your Snapchat, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to fix your black screen on Snapchat, the first thing to do is to make sure you are connected to a strong internet. Once you are, go back to your Snapchat and see if that fixes your issue. If that still does not fix your issue, then the next thing to do is to simply log out of your Snapchat. In order to log out, go to the human icon at the top left corner and tap on the settings button at the top right hand, scroll all the way down and tap on log out. From the pop-up, if you'd like to save your login information, choose yes. If not, choose no. Now, select log out from the pop-up displayed on the screen and you'll be logged out of your Snapchat account. Now, try logging in back in, and once you do that, your black screen on Snapchat should be fixed. Another thing you can try out is to see if that your Snapchat is updated to its latest version. Go to your Play Store and in the search box, search for Snapchat. If your app is not up to date, you'll be able to see an update button right next to the application, but if it is, then you should see the open button. Since my application is up to date, there's no need to update it, but if yours is not, simply tap on the update button in order to update your application and proceed further with the latest version of Snapchat. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're having a black screen error on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.